previous class we have discussed about introduction to similarity, okay, about similar figures, okay. What do you mean by similar figures? Two geometrical figures are similar if they maintain the same shape but need not to maintain the same size, okay. So today we will discuss about similarity of triangles, okay. We have to take two triangles. This is triangle ABC and this is another triangle named PQR. PQR. So you can observe that their shapes are equal but sizes are not equal, okay. So I take BC as 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. BC is equal to 3 centimeters, AC is equal to 4 centimeters and AB is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. So you take a number. What? Okay. Which number will take? We'll take 3. So QR is equal to 3 into 3 and PR 4 into 3 and AB 5 into 3. That means I took a number 3, it's a constant, and multiplied with all the measures of triangle ABC. So what I get? QR is equal to 3 3s are 9 centimeters, 4 3s are 12 centimeters, 5 3s are 15 centimeters. That means a number, that means the measure of the other triangle is obtained by taking a constant and multiplying with all the measures of the previous triangle, original triangle. Okay, so you will get a similar triangle. So finally you see AB by PQ is equal to 5 by 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now BC by QR is equal to 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. And AC by PR is equal to 4 by 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, 1 by 3. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR, which is equal to 1 by 3, a constant. So this constant is called as scale factor. Okay, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR is equal to 1 by 3. So it's a constant. This constant is nothing but a scale factor. Okay, if K is more than 1, then you will get an enlarged figure of the original one. Okay, if K is equal to 1, you will get the congruent figures. That means the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are equal. So both of them will become congruent. Okay, if K is less than 1, you will get a diminished figure. Okay, magnified figure, diminished figure, congruent figure, like that. Okay, so depending on the constant, okay, the similarity of the triangles will be changed. Okay. Okay. Now, so I think you understood about similarity of triangles and the scale factor. Scale factor is nothing but which is equal to the proportionate of the sides. That means all the 3 sides of a triangle is proportional to the all the 3 sides of another triangle. That number which gives the ratio is nothing but a scale factor. The ratio is nothing but a scale factor. Okay. Next. Now today we will discuss about the types of similarities. The first one is A.A.A similarity of triangles. A represents angle. Okay. if three angles of a triangle is equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle, then the sides opposite to the equal angles maintain the same ratio. Okay, I'll explain in detail. So here you take triangle ABC and you take another triangle PQR, PQR. Okay, angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Angle A is equal to angle B, angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Then which sides are in proportion? Okay, that's your doubt. So first of all, angle A is equal to angle B. What are the sides opposite to angle A and angle B? Yes, BC and QR. So we can say that BC by QR, BC by QR, next, is equal to, next, you take angle B and angle Q. Angle B and angle Q, okay. Angle B is equal to angle Q. What are the sides opposite to angle B and angle Q? AC and PR. Angle B opposite AC. AC by angle Q opposite PR. So PR is equal to, all the sides maintain the same ratio. Okay. Next, what about angle C? Angle C is equal to angle R. The side opposite to angle C is AB. AB by the side opposite to angle R is PQ, which is equal to K, some constant, which is called as K factor, like that. So the three angles of a triangle is equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle. Then the two triangles are similar. Okay. We'll take another example of this A.A. similarity. Okay. Sometimes they may give like this. A, B, C and triangle P, Q, R. I say angle B is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angle B. Okay. And angle C is equal to angle Q. Think. Then angle A is equal to angle R. Now can you tell me which sides are in proportion? Okay. First of all, write like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Angle A is equal to angle R. So here we need to place angle R, that means R. Because in place of angle A, in place of letter A, should be replaced with R. Because angle A is equal to angle R. Now next, angle B is equal to angle B. So here we have to write P. In place of B, you need to write P here. Okay, next. Angle C is equal to angle Q. So keep C here. So how do you write it? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle RPQ. Triangle RPQ. Now see, AB, RB. So you can write AB by RB or PR. Anything is said. Next, BC. In place of BC, QP or PQ. Okay, PQ. BC by PQ. In place of AC, RQ. AC by RQ is equal to some K constant. Like that. Okay. See what I said? If three angles of a triangle is equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle, then the side opposite to the equal angles maintain the same ratio. So here angle B is equal to angle B. So opposite to angle B is AC. Okay. So what I said, angle B. Okay. Angle B is equal to angle P. So here AC by, so AC by QR. AC by QR. QR R2. The thing is same. Next. Angle A opposite BC and angle R opposite PQ. So these two sides are in ratio. Okay. So BC by PQ. Yes. Next. Angle C is equal to angle Q. Side opposite to angle C is AB. And side opposite to angle Q is PR. So these two sides. So AB by PR. Isn't it? Like that. Okay. Like that you have to write similarity of two triangles according to A.A.A similarity. Okay. So hope you understood. Okay. About this. In the next section we will discuss about SSS similarity. Okay. And after that their proofs. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Preview Tutorials. Thank you.